everybody, it's Catherine. My project today is my second one with the Tractor & Company bundle. This is available in the beginning of July. This time I made it's a tractor still, I guess, but I was thinking more of like a construction vehicle. And I used a spotlight on nature dies. All right, now the box measures 3.5 by 3.5 by 1 3/4. Open it like this. And inside I have Smarties. Now I think this was one box from Dollar Tree. It's only got 12 in there. So this is a pretty big box. If you put them flat, you could probably fit 2 boxes in here, just to give you an idea. But I thought this was going to be a lot more in the box, but that's okay. So, but if you jumble them all up, they're fine by themselves, just by one. All right. I originally, instead of the Smarties, I wanted to get the little building block gummies. They used to have them as like the Sweet Tart ones too. I thought that would go cute with that, but I couldn't find them at Dollar Tree, so we got Smarties. All right, so what we need for this project is a piece of Pool Party 11 by 7. I'm using the Floral Delight DSP. We need 2 pieces that are 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 and 4 that are 1 1/2 by 3 1/4. For the sentiment, you need a strip that is 3/8 inch high. Okay, and I cut this 2 3/4 inch circle, 2 of them, one from Basic White, just because this is a little thinner. This is the Subtles DSP in Pool Party. If you don't want to double it up, you don't have to, but I like to because it's standing up on there. I want it to be more thick. All right, also, all the parts. I cut the body of the tractor out of Lemon Lolly. I cut 2 wheels out of Basic Black and 2 different size hubcaps out of Smokey Slate. I did the cabin and the 2 fenders out of Darling Duckling. The steering wheel and this little stack, Basic Black, and the seat, Basic Black. All right, so all of that is just cut out with the Tractor & Company dies. All right, so let me get my Simply Scored. We're going to start on the 11-inch side and score at 1 3/4, 5 1/4, 7, and 10 1/2. Turn it to the 7-inch side and score at 1 3/4 and 5 1/4. All right, fold and burnish all your score lines. Okay, your 1/2-inch rectangle is over here, and there are 1 3/4 strips on all these sides there. And this is what we're going to be doing. We're basically, besides these 2 that we're going to wedge on the 1/2-inch rectangle, we're just going to keep all of the rectangle straight and wedge the squares. So let's start over here, cut them all to the first score line. So I'm just going to cut all of them to the first score line. I don't have to go line by line because it's pretty easy. Nothing different. And then I'll go back and wedge these squares. Okay. And then this last score line, cut it to the first score line and then wedge up a little bit. Okay. And then we're just going to do the reverse on this side. Okay, so go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge up. And now just cut all the score lines to the first score line, leaving the rectangle straight, and then wedge the squares. Okay, and that's how your cardstock should look when you're done. All right, now put tear and tape on that 1/2 inch rectangle next to the score line and take the backing off. Okay, now flip it over. Flip over the side with the tape and then the other side to meet it. Now this can go either way, but just make sure that your back is in the back. So I'm going to make this my bottom. So my seam is here. Push in the tabs and make sure that you put this back flap down first. And that is your box. We're just going to close it with the ribbon. All right, now we need our DSP Floral Delight. These go on the front and back, and these go on all the 4 sides. Now let's let that dry, and we're going to put together our tractor. Okay, first I'm going to start with the wheels and put these hubcaps on the wheels first. All right, and then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the fenders and put them on the top part of the wheels. Let those dry. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna put on this piece. Now you could use a sponge if you want, and the glue to dab on the back. I'm just gonna try to be careful. That goes right there. All right, and then I'm going to put the very bottom of the seat right behind, in front of the steering wheel there. Okay, now we're not going to put the whole thing together yet. Let's get our 2 circles. If I didn't say, this is the Pool Party Subtles DSP. Okay. Then I'm going to try to get this down. Let's put a tiny bit and then just try and spread it. This is rough, this little skinny one. All right. And then I'm going to put the cab into right there. Oops, my hands are sticky, as always. All right, and then I'm going to glue the body down. Connect it to that cab part there, the roof. All right, and then we need some dimensionals for our wheels and fenders. This looks a little off. All right, and then I'm gonna put this wheel right there, and the small one in front. Okay. Alrighty. Now we need our box. You put whatever it is that you want to put in. And then I'm going to get some of the Darling Duckling Faux linen ribbon and tie it right around the middle and put a bow on the top. Make sure your ribbon's in the middle and put some dimensionals on the back. And then I'm going to put this right in the middle. Alright, now we need our strip of 3/8 inch strip of Pool Party. And the sentiments on this are pretty skinny. I'm using It's Your Birthday. But we have a bunch of birthday sentiments, I think, so use whatever it is you like. And I'm just going to try to get it straight. Great. All right. All right. And then I'm just going to slant a little bit away from the letters. Okay. And I need a dimensional on the front where the It's is. So I'm going to just cut dimensionals in half and use this. And put a little bit of glue on the front. And I'm going to place it right above the tractor. Right there. Okay, and for the final touch, I'm going to use some party dots in Pool Party. And I'm going to put a large one underneath the sentiment and a large and small on the bottom corner. And that's it. Please take advantage of the suite sale where you can get a whole suite and get a whole suite half price, or buy a suite item and get a suite item half price. Alrighty, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.